just the ability to make food and make stuff that you want to eat and make stuff that people want to eat is what I really like about cooking.
I like that you can be creative with cooking. The main thing about cooking that I love is you can take a recipe and make it 3 times, and you can change it in significant or minuscule ways, and it's going to change the whole flavor profile.
I did some research and I talked to past alums from SCTCC, and they gave the program glowing remarks, and same with Chef Jay.
We have run 2 restaurants, typically 3 days a week. We're cooking for interior students, faculty, and we have some exterior people, doctor's office, lawyers, stuff we send out emails to, and they frequent the restaurants quite a bit. We also do a lot of catering for the school.
Today's menu included a San Francisco pork chop on top of rice noodles with a Asian style sauce and then sauteed veggies. The other item was popovers, which were baked fresh today in class. They were either filled with a seafood Newburg or a beef tips burgundy. Both sauces were very rich and flavorful, handcrafted in class. They're nothing out of a package.
There is such a shortage of cooks, my phone rings off the hook constantly. Placement is 98%. My job openings book has probably 200 jobs in right now. They are hurting for good chefs, and they're starting to pay a pretty decent wage around this area. Years back it was a little on the lower scale, but last few years it's really come up. Most of my students start out at a lower level. They're going to start out line cooks, banquet chefs. Some have excelled pretty strong in the class, and they'll probably get out and they'll be an executive chef or a head chef somewhere, probably within a 60-mile radius. Most of them have the ambition to open their own restaurant, but that doesn't always happen right away. After a few years they've proven themselves, then they seem to get a little braver and venture out and try to open their own places.